This pot liquor is made from salt pork, turnip grains, and aromatics. 4 hours in the crock pot is my preferred way to make it, but you can also use the stove. There's also a secret ingredient, Sichuan peppercorn. This adds an interesting and numbing sensation to the soup. We're also putting some roasted turnip root in the soup. We need half-inch blocks that'll get roasted in the oven with salt, pepper, and olive oil. 20 minutes at 350 degrees will give them a nice roasted flavor. Once the broth is done, strain it through a cloth to help clarify it. See all the little bits the towel is catching? That's all flavor and nutrients, but we don't want a cloudy-looking stock at this wine party. Now let's garnish this up. You start with a bit of the clarified broth. Add a few pieces of roasted turnip, some edible flowers, and a few more peppercorns. By the way, these are cilantro, sage, and tomatillo flowers from things that were growing in a garden. You don't have to buy anything special, just use what you have.